Holy moly, Shiba Inu's burn rate just went parabolic. A 4,100% increase? And whales are scooping up millions of Shib. Could this be the start of a massive pump? We need to analyze this right now. Hey there, my fellow crypto adventurers. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your one-stop channel for all the hot, spicy crypto news. Today, we're diving into not one, but two exciting developments around Shiba Inu that could shake up your investment strategy. So whether you're just dipping your toes in or you're a seasoned trader, stick around because this is going to be a fun ride. All right, let's kick things off with this article from TradingView. As you can see on the screen, it's titled, Whale Movements Push Shiba Inu Burn Rate to Stunning 4,100% Rise. 4,100%? That's an insane increase in the burn rate. Renewed investor optimism and interest in Shiba Inu has emerged despite market volatility. This is due to a remarkable 4,100% surge in its burn rate within just 24 hours, resulting in the removal of nearly 21.7 million Shib tokens from circulation. Now, the cryptocurrency is once again capturing attention in the digital asset space as this extraordinary increase highlights its significant combustion rate. 21.7 million Shib burned in 24 hours? That's a significant amount. The Shib army is clearly committed to reducing the supply and driving up the price. A closer examination of the burn rate. The burn rate is an essential metric for Shiba Inu, and it indicates the quantity of tokens that are irrevocably removed from circulation. The purpose of this standard procedure is to establish scarcity, which has the potential to increase the value of the remaining tokens. The most recent surge was predominantly driven by a single transaction, which resulted in the burning of nearly 21 million tokens in a single instance. But a reduction in supply of this magnitude can have a beneficial effect on investor confidence and market sentiment. Burning millions of tokens in a single transaction, that's a bold move. It definitely sends a message to the market that SHIB is serious about scarcity. Still, it's important to recognize that SHIB's price did not line up with the notable rise in burn rate. Actually, SHIB's price dropped 11% over this period, coming out to roughly 2 to 16 thousandths of a cent. This decline in the market value of the meme coin was a result of a larger trend influencing the whole digital currency market that saw over $711 million in liquidations among other assets. Shiba Inu. Whale activity increases. Interestingly, there have been a lot more whales in the Shiba Inu environment at the same time that the burn rate has gone up. Over 2,000% more transactions involving substantial holders happened, resulting in the exchange of around $750 million in Shib in a 24-hour period. This rise means that big buyers are either buying more tokens or giving them to other people in response to changes in the market. So the price dropped, but whales are getting more active? That's an interesting dynamic. It could be a sign that they're accumulating Shib at a discount. Future prospects and market sentiment. Many members of the Shiba Inu community are optimistic about the future of the coin, despite the present price decrease. The substantial incineration rate is perceived as a proactive measure to increase scarcity and potentially result in price appreciation in the future. Oh, wow. Okay. So investor sentiment can be unpredictable. However, community members frequently gain confidence in the project's long-term viability when they witness significant burns. The recent increase in the Shiba Inu's combustion rate stimulates optimism about its future potential. Nonetheless, market realities are complex. The simultaneous price fall and macroeconomic factors that lead to market volatility serve as a reminder to investors to be cautious. In the world of cryptocurrencies, volatility is unavoidable, and monitoring both whale activity and burn rates will be critical in determining Shib's likely future path. Optimism despite the price decrease? That's the spirit of the Shib army. They're in it for the long haul. And it's true that burn rates and whale activity can be important indicators of future price action. This is an exciting time for Shiba Inu. The burn rate is exploding, whales are getting active, and their next performance matters. And the community is optimistic. Could this be the perfect storm that sends Shib to the moon? Now let's move on to this next article from FX Leaders. This one is titled Shiba Inu at Crucial Turning Point. Whales accumulate Shib as treat launch approaches. Crucial turning point? Whales accumulating, treat launch approaching. This is getting interesting. Major whale movements, technical indicators, and an approaching token launch produce a complex market dynamic that Shiba Inu finds itself in at a key juncture. So currently trading around 210 thousandths of a cent, the popular meme coin is displaying indications of possible reversal following a difficult beginning to 2025. Shib whale activity and market impact. With just 5 whale accounts controlling 565 trillion tokens, almost 57% of the total supply, recent data demonstrates a noteworthy concentration of power in the Shib ecosystem. Most importantly, a single high-activity wallet accounts for 41.7% of the overall supply. Which creates both possibilities and worries regarding possible price fluctuations. Wow, just 5 whales control 57% of the supply? That's a lot of concentration. But it also means that if those whales decide to pump Shib, the price could skyrocket. Significantly, analysts in the crypto industry have seen 1.6 trillion Shib tokens, worth about $39 million. Travel from crypto.com to private wallets. This whale behavior suggests intentional accumulation at lower prices given a 17% price drop over the past 30 days. Given the forthcoming Treat token launch on January 14th, 2025, the timing of these significant transfers is very interesting. The new year begins with Treat, said the Shiba Inu development team, setting the launch as possibly triggering price action. $39 million worth of Shib moved to private wallets? That's a bullish sign. And the Treat token launch could be a major catalyst for a price surge. Latest developments in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The expected elimination of 77 trillion SHIB tokens via burning systems adds to the dynamics of the market. This action is meant to lower supply and hence possibly create shortage. Though the market capitalization has dropped to $12.78 billion, trading volumes have soared 78.87% to $867.4 million. Hence, there is a strategic reduction. /USD technical analysis. Technical analysis indicates that based on Bollinger Band signals, SHIB/USD is entering oversold territory. The lower band, which sits 3.58% below current rates, points to potential for a bounce. Important resistance levels to monitor are 246 ten-thousandths of a cent upper Bollinger Band and 223 ten-thousandths of a cent 20-day moving average. Oversold conditions, that's another bullish signal. It suggests that Shib could be due for a bounce. Shiba Inu price forecast, future outlook. While Shib currently trades more than 70% below its all-time high, several factors could contribute to a potential reversal. The imminent Treat token launch could drive new interest and liquidity into the ecosystem. Increased whale accumulation may signal confidence in future price appreciation. Technical indicators suggesting oversold conditions could attract buyers. The massive token burn initiative could create upward price pressure through reduced supply. However, investors should note that the high concentration of tokens among few holders could lead to increased volatility. The critical support level at 279 910 thousandths of a cent will be essential to watch in the coming days, as maintaining this level could set the stage for a recovery. So many bullish factors. The Treat token launch, whale accumulation, oversold conditions, and the token burn could all contribute to a Shib rally. This is incredibly exciting news for Shib holders. With so many positive developments happening in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the future is looking brighter than ever. Could this be the start of a massive pump? Now, I know some of you were concerned about the high concentration of Shiba among a few whales, and it's true that this could lead to increased volatility. But I believe the long-term potential of Shiba Inu outweighs the risks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this breakdown. And be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. So there you have it, folks. Shiba Inu is at a crucial turning point, with the burn rate exploding, whales accumulating, and the tree token launch just around the corner. Shib could be on the verge of a massive rally. Don't miss out on this opportunity. What do you think about the future of Shiba Inu? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Let's spread the word about Shib. Thanks for watching, Gold Rushers. Until next time, keep digging for that crypto gold. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency.